Robinhood affiliate program sign up. If you're looking to earn commissions by referring users to a popular stock and crypto trading platform, you might be interested in the crypto or Robinhood affiliate program. However, Robinhood does not currently offer a public affiliate program in the traditional sense. Instead, they have a referral program that allows users to earn free stocks when they invite friends. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to sign up, how to maximize your earnings, and what alternatives exist if you're looking for an affiliate program. So basically, let's go ahead and know if Robinhood actually have affiliate program. As of now, Robinhood does not have a standard affiliate program where you earn commissions for each users you refer. However, they do have a referral program that rewards users with free stocks when they invite new users who sign up and fund their accounts. Additionally, some third-party affiliate networks may offer Robinhood related promotions. Now, signing up to the affiliate program for Robinhood is really easy. The first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and head over to the affiliates.robinhood.com. If you're having a hard time finding this website, you can just go ahead and search for the Robinhood affiliate program inside the Google search engines. And so, before we get started, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And now, once inside the affiliate program page right here, you can then go ahead and see the "You've outdone yourself" statement. Now below that, you basically have the apply now button. But once inside this page right here, there is everything you need to know about the affiliate program for Robinhood. If you scroll down, it will tell you how it works. The first thing that you need to do is to go ahead and apply. You want to get started by filling out your application. It only takes a few minutes. You can go ahead and enter your personal information on that specific form. You can expect to hear from them within a couple of days. From there, you have to connect your account. You can then go ahead and share your affiliate link across your favorite networks like social media, your website, or your newspaper or article. From there, you will then go ahead and earn. You want to get creative, you'll earn for each successful referral you make. They offer competitive affiliate rates within their industry. So the perks are this specific features right here. You have the attend exclusive events. You can earn special offers throughout the year, get insights and use beta testing access, and share exclusive promos with your links. You also have some FAQs right here, or frequently asked questions like, what platform do you use for your affiliate program? Is there a limit on the referrals that you can go ahead and make? And more. Now, to get started, you simply want to click on the apply now button. It will then take us to this page right here where we can now go ahead and sign up using our account. Now, in here you have the make more money with your traffic and audience. We have partnered with the Impact to provide you with market-leading performance advertising campaigns. Performance advertising is simple. You receive large earnings for promoting high-quality, unique products or services to your audience. So from here, you simply want to click on the sign up button. Right after, they have their contract terms for Robinhood. Now, this is really important before heading over to the sign up method. In here, you have the iOS app install. You have your payout details, you have schedule, qualified referrals, and more. You also have the iOS app sign up. You have your iOS app funded account, which is going to be the $20 bonus. It is going to be $20 per order. Now for schedule, we have the action locking. Actions are locked 1 month after the end of the month that they are tracked. And below that, you have the iOS Paid Gold subscription. If you scroll down even further, we are now inside the Android app install. Scroll even more, you are inside the Android app sign up referral link. And below, once again, you have the Android app funded account, which is once again going to be $20. If you scroll down even further, you have the regular sign up for computers right here. You have your funded account. You have the retirement account sign up, you have the gold membership sign up referral, and the retirement funding, which is going to be $5. And so we also have the general terms and agreements on Robinhood affiliate program right here. You have your currency. Financial transactions covered by this insertions order will be processed in the USD currency. Currency exchanges will occur when you and your partners have set a different default currency in the account settings. You have your change notification period, reversal policy, and media partner tracking pixel. Referral of performance advertising actions are decided by the advertisers governed by a max reversal percentage of 100%. And lastly, advertisers does not allow media partners to fire their tracking pixels when the consumer action is complete. Now, it's really important to go ahead and read the terms and agreements before clicking on the accept button. Now, after clicking on the accept, you will confirm that you have read, understand, acknowledge the Robinhood publisher affiliate terms and contract. So from here, we can just click on the agree button and we can then go ahead and sign up to our account. In here, you have the sign up with your own email, your Apple account, Facebook, Google, X, LinkedIn, or impact.com. In my case, I'll just go ahead and sign up using my own Google account. So from here, you basically have your first name, your last name, your email address, and lastly, your mobile number. You have to confirm your email and mobile number, so you have to make sure that you enter the right answer right here. Right after, we will then be asked on how would we categorize our business. From here, if you basically want to promote your affiliate links through social media, you can just click on the social influencer. Your audience follows me or follows you for entertainment, education, and community. And they engage with social native content that you go ahead and produce. You have content/reviews, loyalty/rewards, deal/coupons, email/newsletter, search/comparison, network, technology solution, and lastly, cross-audience monetization. If you want to know more about each category right here, you can just go ahead and read the short description below each choices. In my case, I'll click on the social influencer button, click on the continue, and right after that, we will then be asked to go ahead and where we want to promote our own affiliate link. If you have your own website, click on the add website. You have social media, mobile app, podcast, email or newsletter, or offline. In my case, since this is a tutorial, I'll just go ahead and click on the offline button. From here, you have your name, your billboard, or any one of these advertisements right here, description, customer reach, audience, countries or region, your language, and your ownership. From there, you then have to click on continue, tell more about yourself, and you will be able to basically submit your own application. From there, once again, you have to wait for a couple of days in order to get verified on the Robinhood affiliate right here. Now from there, let's go ahead and talk about on how you can maximize your earning with the Robinhood's referral program. The first step is to go ahead and invite more friends. The more people who sign up using your link, the more free stocks you can go ahead and earn. You can go ahead and share your link on social media. Post about your experience with Robinhood on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Reddit, Instagram, and more. You want to use YouTube or a blog. Create content explaining how to use Robinhood and include your referral link like what I'm doing right here. I'm explaining to you Robinhood on a YouTube video. Now, you can also go ahead and engage in crypto and investing groups. If allowed, you want to share your referral link in relevant communities and forums. And so, in conclusion, Robinhood does not have a traditional affiliate program. The referral programs offer a great way to earn free stocks by inviting your friends. If you're looking for passive income through affiliate marketing, you may want to explore alternatives like Webull, eToro, or Public.com. However, if you simply want to earn rewards while introducing people to commission-free investing, Robinhood's referral program is a great option. You want to sign up today, share your link, and start earning free stocks. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.